Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of my fall decorating series. I am so glad that you clicked on this video today. Today I will be cleaning and decorating the kitchen. Like in my previous fall decorating video, I will be adding to my existing decor. I will just be adding some subtle hints of fall here and there, and I am so in love with how much it warmed up this kitchen. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just get cleaning in here, and then I will start my decorating.
And reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops.
Okay, so I have a question for all of you out there watching. I am so curious when you guys bring out all the fall decor and start decorating for fall. Before I started doing these videos, I would always wait until September 23rd, and that's when I would start my fall decorating. And to be honest, I always thought that it was somewhat of an annoyance to have all the stores have Christmas out and all that stuff out way before Halloween. And I always thought it was just way too early, and I never really understood why stores did that until now, until I started doing these videos. And we do this to give you ideas. You don't necessarily have to decorate as early as we do, but I do get quite a few comments asking why I decorate so early and not to rush the seasons. But honestly, I do it to give you inspiration, to give you ideas. I am not forcing anybody to decorate early. Obviously, you can do what you want, not decorate at all, decorate early. It honestly does not even matter to me what you do, but I love fall and I love putting these videos out, and I love giving everybody tons of ideas early so you know what you are going to do. So I am just really curious out there. Down in the comments below, I would love to know when you start breaking out the fall decor.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep.
So once I have everything cleared off my countertops, I am just going to be wiping everything down, and today I will be using a product by Everspring. I purchased this at Target last season and it smells amazing. The scent is cinnamon and cedarwood, and it is an all-purpose cleaner, and I will be using this to clean my entire kitchen. I will also use it to wipe down my kitchen table. If you are visiting my channel for the first time today, I would just like to take a second and say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to click on this video, and I truly hope that it gives you some ideas and some inspiration, and I hope that you decide to stick around and subscribe to my channel as well. Okay, so now that I am finished cleaning up in the kitchen area, I am going to start by redecorating this little area right here by my window. I have it decorated for summer right now, and it's just some greenery. And I'm going to take these 2 wreaths down, and then I'm going to take the greenery out of this like a little planter that you kind of stick on the wall. And I get asked how I hang everything on here without putting nails in the cabinets, and I do use command hooks. So what I'm going to do is just add some existing floral pieces that I already have had, and I will be using these. They're like a creamy yellow colored flower, and I want to say they're like a cabbage rose. I'm just going to be adding a few of those, and then I will be adding a little tiny bit of greenery, and I'm using more of like a fall type greenery with a little bit of that sage color, and then I'm going to be adding a few white pumpkins to that. And I picked up all of the greenery and the pumpkins at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And the white planter box was purchased at Joann's, and then this pumpkin spice everything sign was purchased at Big Lots. And then for this mini wreath, I'm just going to add a pick, and this is just a pick from, I want to say, Hobby Lobby last year, and it just has a few fall leaves and some acorns on it, and I'm going to place it right above the sign. Okay, so now I'm moving on to this area over here on the wall where I have my aprons hanging up, and I did have this really pretty cream and white colored wreath for spring and summer up, and I was going to take it down and replace it with a full-on fall wreath, but I was not ready to do that just yet. I might end up doing that later, but I figured if I just added a few tiny hints of fall to this existing wreath, it would look so pretty. So that's exactly what I did. I just picked up these sprigs of cascading leaves from Hobby Lobby the other day, and I just clipped off a few and then just kind of weaved it in there. And then I did add some more of those yellow or butter colored roses, and I think it looks perfect without overdoing it. I also have this container that sits right on top of my refrigerator, and right now there's just greenery and white hydrangeas, and I thought it would look really pretty if I just added some pretty peachy, warm colored hydrangeas to the existing ones already in here. But I thought they would look so pretty up here, and it would just ties in with all the other colors that I am using. So now I'm just going to be putting everything back on the countertops, and I did end up replacing my hand soap over here. I was at Bath & Body Works the other day, and I did purchase a fall scent, and this is called Harvest Gathering, and it smells amazing. And then for my lotion bottle, I just took the label off because it was a summer type label, and just know that you guys can do that. I did the same thing with my dish soap bottle. I loved the bottle that it came in, but I didn't like the label, so I took the label off, and then I did order the dish soap label off of Amazon, and it is always linked down in my description box. I get questions about that all the time. And then over here I'm just going to be replacing my kitchen towel, and I found these really pretty fall colored kitchen towels at Home Goods last year, and I love that it has the blue in there because I will be doing a lot with that cobalt blue color. And make sure that you are notified with that bell turned on, so when my next video comes out you will know as soon as it uploads. I will be decorating the formal dining room and showing you how I do my tablescape in there, and I purchased some really pretty cobalt blue plates, and I cannot wait to show you what I do with them. So for this tray here that I have sitting on my kitchen table, I wanted to keep it really simple and just add a few pumpkins to this tiny little tray within the tray. It's like a mirrored tray, and I purchased the larger pumpkin at Hobby Lobby, and then the velvet pumpkin was purchased at Marshall's. So now that this kitchen is all clean and decorated for fall, I'm just going to be turning my oil diffuser on, and today I will be using a scent called Pumpkin Pie by Woolsey's, and I purchased this at Home Goods last year, and it smells amazing. It smells better than a candle burning, and it smells just like pumpkin pie. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I hope you guys all have an amazing day. I will see you in the next one. Bye.